Hello, Jason. I think I've had a change of heart.
Oh,
Quite.
me?
Literally. The animal plant toxins had a rather unique effect on me. They replaced my blood with aloe, my skin with chlorophyll, and filled my lips with venom. And Jason, one other thing. I probably should have mentioned this earlier. I'm poison.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video has been a very much awaited video for me. This is my version of Poison Ivy. She is a glamorous yet poisonous woman. I went ahead and did my brows. Now I'm going to just jump in right into the makeup. Throughout this tutorial, I'm going to be using my Morphe 35B palette. This is very super essential when it comes to Halloween looks. First thing I'm going to do is prep my eyelids. I'm using my favorite MAC Soft Ochre. I'm going to pop this shade right into my crease, use it as a transition shade. Now I'm going to pick up my M330 and go into this shade right here. With the same brush, I'm going to pick up this shade right here. The goal is to really deepen up the crease and make this look super melted greens, if you know what I mean. I'm going to go into the first shade we used and kind of wing out this look. I go back and forth while doing my Halloween makeup because I don't know exactly what I want. But we're gonna go ahead and wing this out. Now I'm gonna pick up a flat shadow brush and I'm gonna go into this super deep green right here and put it on the ends of our eye and then slowly bring it into the crease. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just blend it all out. I'm gonna pick up my Kylie Cosmetics Kris Jenner palette. I love the black in this palette, so I'm gonna pick it up with an angled brush and just go ahead and line where I want my liquid liner to be. Now I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Tape Shape and cut my crease. Now I'm gonna pick up my Dose of Colors Ideal Duo in the shade Mermaid. I'm gonna pick up the base on top and then add the glitter on the bottom. Now I'm going to pick up my Tarte Clay Pot in the shade Black and use this as my liner, and then I'm going to go ahead and pick up a black shadow and start smoking out that liner to give it a super smoky effect. I'm going to take that black eyeshadow, smoke out the liner, and just pop a little bit into the crease with a very light hand, gradually blend that in. Popped on some Huda Beauty lashes in this style Scarlette, finished up my face, and now we are back. I'm gonna go back into my 35B palette, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here using a pencil brush. I'm gonna go ahead and start smoking that on the under eye and connect what we have going on top. Now I'm gonna pick up a angled brush and go into the same black shade and start lining that under my eye and then slowly smoking out. Now I'm going to put some liner in my water and tight line. Now I'm going to pop a little bit of highlighter in my inner corners right on top of the green shadow that we have going on. Next thing I'm going to do is move on to the lips. I'm going to line them using my MAC Cherry Liner, and then I'm going to pick up my Kylie Cosmetics Mary Jo K Liquid Lipstick. Now for the fun part, I got this wig such a long time ago from Michels and I just loved it. It looks so good, so I'm like, oh, I'm taking it home with me. And then I thought of this costume and I'm like, wow, it's really a 2-in-1. So I'm going to put the cap on first and then we're going to pop the wig on. I don't wear wigs, so I might not do this completely perfectly, but we getting there, okay? I got this branch from Michels, so I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting up a couple of pieces. I'm gonna make like one headpiece, then I'm gonna wrap some around my fingers and just get a little bit creative with it. I feel like I need a little bit more green, so I'm gonna add some onto my jawline and then kind of work down my chest. I'm gonna add some green as a contour to my nose just to make it a little bit more fun. Now I'm just gonna get a lighter color and start blending that dark green with a lighter green so it looks more, you know, natural and not too harsh. And then I'm gonna get my Dose of Colors Ideal Duo, and I'm gonna go into the glitter and just start popping that all around my neck area just to, you know, brighten it up a little bit. Now I'm gonna pick up this bush and start trimming it around and wrapping it around my finger, just putting it anywhere that I want to. I want my lips to be a little bit more glossy, so I'm going to pick up my Kylie Cosmetics Sugar Plum and add that right on top. And our Poison Ivy is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this Halloween tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all my latest videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.